Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to capture photos from your XIAOMI Smart Camera C100. Let's begin! And of course, for this tutorial, we'll need our XIAOMI Smart Camera C100 and the XIAOMI Home application. If you don't have it, you can always watch our install dedicated software tutorial. Anyway, once you have done that, we can simply go into Open and open our camera settings and also the camera preview, which as you can see is live with a very little latency. Now, in order to capture a photo, all you want to do is simply click that beautiful photo icon. So let's do it now. We'll do it here. But before we do that, we need to allow our XIAOMI Home to access music and audio on this device. So let's go to allow, and I will give him allow all access. And as you can see now, we have made a photo, so we can always, for example, move it a little bit up, like this. Let's make another photo. And, oh, I failed. Well, too bad. And as you can see, we can view these photos. They should be right here in our photo gallery. And we can also see exactly at what time and what hour they have been posted, which I believe is also pretty cool. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.